Hey, what's up, guys? This is Brandon Belcher, and I'm making this video because I want to talk about adult CPA. Adult CPA is something that can honestly make you, pretty rich in the CPA world, in the online world overall when it comes to marketing adult offers. We already know how adult content performs anyways, but when you can make money off of adult CPA, trust me, you can build an absolute empire. This right here is a page of offers that I can promote anytime that I want, and I can earn this kind of money that you see on the screen. And it's just very lucrative and it's very powerful when you can promote something that people are checking out anyways, that people are viewing anyways, and that millions of people, women and men, nobody's innocent in this, in this world of adult content. Women and men are searching for it anyways. But what if you can be the person to make a boatload of money off of that? Well, I'm about to show you what you can promote in order to really crush it. But look at these offers right here that pays out different amounts. Of course, this offer right here will pay out 75% for every person that you convert on this, and I'm sure the price to sign up is pretty pricey, so you would earn a nice commission right there. But even if you don't want to do anything paid, so if you don't want to get paid whenever somebody pull out their credit card, you don't have to, because look at this offer right here. $3.50 for a single opt-in. So this site right here, I'm not going to pull any of these sites up because I don't want that kind of content on my YouTube channel, but I just want to, touch on it a little bit. But this kind of offer right here, it's for mobile and desktop. You get paid $3.50 for a simple one-page sign up. So therefore, all somebody got to do is enter their name, their email, and a password, and you make $3.50 every time that happens. And this is much higher than regular CPA marketing because, of course, once again, it's adult content, and the networks know that it's going to convert very well overall for them, and everybody happy, everybody makes money. So could you imagine 100 people a day signing up for something like this? That's a six-figure income. Could you imagine even this one, $2.15 per sign up? This is a mobile offer, single opt-in, and 100 people a day doing this. What is that? Over $6,000 a month that you will make with that offer. What about this pay per sale? Every time you make a sale, you get paid $65 for a single sale. I mean, you would only need 2 of these a day, 3 of these a day to make very good income. But what I like to focus on are the single opt-ins. So you got double opt-ins, and double opt-in is when somebody sign up for this affiliate link right here and they have to confirm the email address. Well, a single opt-in, they don't even have to confirm their email address. And with me looking at this one's a single opt-in as well, so you still get 75% of the back end offer of this main offer right here. And it works very well because they may opt in like a single opt-in, and even though it says 75%, they might have something that converts well, aka something to sell to the people that sign up. And that could be $100 offer or $100 product, and you get 75% of that. So all of this is it's genius marketing when it comes to online marketing, because most people don't know about anything that has to do with adult content. And this is what I love. This is what I've been knowing about for many years. And this is one thing that I don't talk about very much, but I do it behind the scenes like crazy. And what do I mean by doing it behind the scenes? I build brands. Listen to this. I build brands around adult content. So what do I mean by building a brand? So basically, I choose a specific offer right here on any kind of adult offer, any one on this page, or many other offers that I got to choose from, because this is something that I teach you also. But I build brands around adult content and brands that people remember. What do I do with these brands? I really brand it out. I build the brand from scratch. I get these brands indexed in Google. I build content sites around these specific offers or around a group of offers, and I sit back while SEO traffic just roll in nonstop. By doing this, you will basically build an everlasting income around adult content. And ask yourself this: When will people stop watching dirty videos? When will people stop viewing adult content overall? When will people stop buying adult products? The answer is absolutely never. If each one of us lived 1,000 years, trust me, people will still be watching dirty videos. People will still be up at 3 a.m. watching all of this stuff, and these offers will still be converting. So, what I teach inside of my CPA Mastermind group is how to build an absolute fortune, an absolute empire off of adult content. I'm not sure how many of you guys are inside of my CPA Mastermind group, but this is something pretty lucrative, very lucrative actually. And once again, I just don't talk about it much because I don't want this kind of content on my YouTube channel. Look at this brand right here that I'm teaching my students this month inside of the Mastermind group. I build this brand right here called Asians XO. So Asians XO is going to be adult CPA offer around Asian content. And this is very popular. You know, many people love this kind of content. So I'm building a whole entire brand called Asians XO, the place where cute Asians hang out. And it's going to link to one of these offers right here. And it's just going to be very lucrative. But listen, I don't care if you watch adult content at all. You may watch it. You may check it out. You may buy products for your partner and, for you and your partner to use or whatever. But I'm just telling you this. This is so lucrative, it's hard to put it into words because, like I said, people will never stop watching adult content. If this is something that you want to learn from me, you definitely want to get inside of my CPA Mastermind group. Of course, my CPA Mastermind group is month to month, so every new month you will learn a brand new topic. But the bottom line is, once you get around to this topic, it's, the sky's truly the limit. And of course, whenever you get inside of my mastermind group, I'm going to give you guys the option now to basically grab every single month. So therefore, instead of, learning 1 month and having to wait to the next month and wait to the next month, I'm going to give you the option to learn, basically all months at one time if you want to. So if you want to learn 12 months worth of content and just go just binge watch the training over and over, you can do that. I'm going to give you guys the option, but this is super powerful. And I just wanted to tell you guys that if you are not doing adult content in any kind of way, building content sites around adult content, trust me, it's super powerful. Even if you are not inside of my CPA Mastermind group or never even join it, I just want to really give you the heads up on this because, once again, it's super powerful and you need to know about it and you need to be involved with it. Because if you can get paid $3.50 for a simple sign up, remember this, all you need is a few of these a day. Just say if you get 3 of these a day, that's an extra, $300 a month that will be sitting in your bank account that you can make just 3 of those a day. Not 30, just 3. So you need to know about this, and I want it to be the one to tell you about it. There's all kind of things that I can check out right here that I can click on. But once again, I don't want that kind of content showing up because I'm sure if I start clicking on these links, stuff will start showing up that shouldn't be on my channel. And it's just not a good fit for my channel overall. Adult content is what you need to really embed in your head today because it's super lucrative. And I will be talking, of course, a lot more about adult content inside of my mastermind group. I'm going to put out even more than I have right now, even much more than that, because this is an underground world that I only want to share with my mastermind group members. But if you are not in my mastermind group and you do want to learn this kind of stuff, just go to cpamastermind.group to get started, and I'll be very excited to talk more and teach you more about adult CPA marketing. If you're new to my channel, definitely go ahead and subscribe. I put out CPA videos like clockwork, and my focus is always to put out the best of the best content. And today's video was just to notify you guys what's working, what's powerful, and what's super lucrative. And that topic today is adult content. Give this video a thumbs up, comment below, let me know what you thought, and I will catch you in my next video.